National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Windham County in northeast Connecticut, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northern Providence County in northern Rhode Island. This includes the cities of Franklin, Southbridge, Cumberland, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms with heavy rain moving to the warned area. Around 2 inches have already fallen. Significant urban flooding is already occurring. The main threat from these thunderstorms is substantial urban and poor drainage flooding. However, flash flooding from small streams is also possible. Flash flooding of small streams in urban areas is occurring or imminent. Those near streams and creeks, or in areas prone to flooding, should move to higher ground immediately. Avoid flooded roads. The water may be too deep to allow vehicles to cross safely, or the roadway may be undermined. Turn around, don't drown.